ICICI Prudential AMC, the company that manages the future of crores of Indians through mutual funds, is now opening its door for you through an IPO. Here's the fastest breakdown you'll see. IPO dates are 12th to 16 December, and this is the fourth largest IPO this year by issue size. Now listen to this. This company started in 1993 and today it manages 10,14,760 crore. Yes, 10 lakh crore. Let that sink in. Think of it like this. Every 13th rupee invested in India's mutual fund industry is managed by this one company. They run 143 active schemes, 272 offices present across 23 states and 4 union territories. Distribution is one of their biggest superpowers. Financials, solid. Revenue growth of 32% in 1 year and a profit growth of 29% in 1 year. All of this with a profit margin of over 50%. This means that for every 100 rupee the company earns, more than 50 becomes pure profit. Here's another interesting thing to look at. If you look at the mutual fund penetration as percent of GDP, you'll see India is at just 20%. This is why people call AMC businesses long runway machines. We are just getting started. But here are the risks you should know. If markets crash, AUM falls and revenue dips. If schemes underperform, investors withdraw. And any negative news around ICICI or Prudential can impact trust. So will you apply for this IPO? Let us know in the comments. And if you want a deeper breakdown about the business, then head to this video where we have covered it all.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.